Think hauling long timber is tough? Watch how this trailer makes it look effortless. Dahl's long timber trailer isn't just equipment, it's a game changer for heavy forestry transport. Built in Germany with over a century of engineering mastery, this specialist semi-trailer hauls logs up to 22 meters with rock-solid stability. The mechanical telescopic frame and extended rear carriage adapt instantly to any load length, while hydraulic turntable steering delivers precise control on highways, forest tracks, and tight rural roads. Choose 2 or 3 axles with pneumatic suspension and advanced bolsters for maximum security. Add optional wireless remote control, and you command steering and locking with confidence. Low loading height, reliability. This is professional timber transport, perfected. Need a trailer that works as hard as you do? Meet the beast that never backs down. Flegal's DPW210BL Ultra is built for serious work and serious results. This heavy-duty 3-axle flatbed trailer handles everything from agricultural bales to massive industrial loads with total confidence. Its galvanized steel deck delivers unmatched strength and corrosion resistance, while the robust chassis and parabolic suspension keep every ride smooth and stable. Safety comes first with a 2-circuit air brake system, ALB anti-lock control, and hydraulically foldable side restraints. Add the swivel turntable for precision maneuvering and a wide drawbar for road-legal performance, and you get a trailer that's reliable, powerful, and ready to dominate every job site. Still climbing trailers to cover loads? This smart system changes everything. Benalu's Easy Tarp cover system is redefining safety and speed in modern transport. This automatic solution lets drivers open or close the tarp in under 15 seconds, right from ground level. No climbing, no risk, just smart efficiency. Powered by an electric motor and precision guide rails, the cover glides smoothly across the trailer body and stays tight in every condition. Designed for aluminum trailers like Optiliner, Agriliner, and Bulkliner, it protects everything from grain and fertilizer to scrap and soil. Easy Tarp reduces manual effort, boosts safety compliance, and streamlines daily operations, making every haul faster, safer, and more professional. Moving massive machines, this low loader makes heavy transport look easy. Nooteboom's Euro PX3 is the future of heavy and abnormal transport. Engineered with advanced Pendulum axle technology, this next-generation low loader delivers higher payload capacity with unmatched stability on every route. The widened excavator trough and expanded loading space make handling oversized machinery faster and safer, while optimized steering geometry ensures smooth control through tight turns and long highway stretches. With multiple axle configurations, it adapts to any load requirement and regulation with confidence. Lightweight yet incredibly strong, the Euro PX3 balances power with efficiency, giving operators the reliability, performance, and precision they need for today's toughest logistics challenges. Tired of slow, risky load covering? Watch this system change the game. Crimaro's Overquick is redefining how professionals protect their loads. This fully automatic side-rolling tarpaulin system opens and closes in under 30 seconds, giving drivers speed without sacrificing safety. Controlled from the ground by remote or mobile app, it eliminates climbing and reduces risk on every job. Its compact, cable-free design delivers outstanding resistance against water and air, keeping cargo secure in all conditions. Perfect for tippers, moving floors, and bulk trailers, Overquick handles grain, silage, waste, and more with confidence. Fast, reliable, and smart. This is modern load protection built for today's demanding transport operations. Transporting luxury yachts? This trailer makes the impossible look easy. Pavelli's modular low-bed semi-trailer is redefining luxury yacht transport with precision engineering and total confidence. Designed for public roads, its ultra-low deck reduces loading angles to protect delicate hulls during every move. The modular layout adjusts easily for different yacht lengths, while multiple axle configurations deliver rock-solid balance under extreme loads. Advanced hydraulic systems provide exact height control for safe positioning in marinas, ports, and tight access routes. Reinforced frames and marine-grade supports keep vessels stable over long distances. Smooth maneuverability and confident road behavior prove that smart design and custom engineering turn complex yacht transport into a safe operation. Moving 100 tons like it's nothing? This trailer makes heavy haul look easy. Faymonville's Varomax Plus is built for the toughest transport missions on the planet. This heavy-duty modular low trailer combines massive payload power with smart flexibility, carrying up to 105 tons with total control. Thanks to the Joker axle system, operators can quickly adjust axle numbers to match legal limits, load weight, and route demands. The low 900mm excavator trough keeps loading smooth, while the high steering angle delivers impressive agility in tight spaces. Strong, compact, and easy to operate, the Varomax Plus reduces downtime and boosts safety, making it the ultimate solution for modern heavy haul professionals. Hauling sharp, heavy loads? This smart upgrade saves your trailer every time. The Napen floor protection sheet is a simple upgrade that delivers serious protection. Designed for moving floor trailers, it shields the floor from damage caused by metal chips, glass shards, sand, and wet cargo. This smart system stops debris from slipping between planks, reducing wear and extending your trailer's service life. You can use it with an automatic air pressure winding system or as a detachable sheet, giving operators flexibility on every job. Strong, reliable, and easy to use, it keeps your trailer cleaner, safer, and more efficient. When you protect your equipment, you protect your profits. And this solution does exactly that.